Hey everybody, welcome to the Element Outdoors channel. Today we're going to show you how to set up one of our 23-0 Breezeway rooftop tents. Today it's on the Jeep Gladiator and we're out in Rabbit Valley just to the west of Grand Junction, Colorado. Alright, so first things first, we pull into a campsite. We want to make sure that we've got a nice level surface. We're only going to sleep as level as our parking job. Next, we also want to make sure we've got fairly level surface out to the side where the tent's going to open up to, so that way we don't have any tripping hazards throughout our campsite. Now that we've got that taken care of, we can jump straight into the operation of the tent. So first thing we've got to do is remove the driving cover. So pretty simple here. We've got 2 straps. Some of the tents have 4 straps. We'll undo those. One of the corners we'll find an orange toggle hanging down, and we're going to push that and start to unzip the cover. We'll go ahead and pull the straps off while we're on the back side of the vehicle here. We'll unzip the cover all the way, and then now we're ready to remove the cover. Start at the far corners, push the cover up. While you're here, there's a Velcro strap on each one of the corners. Go ahead and undo those Velcro straps to free the tent up so we can open it. Now with the cover removed, we're ready to go ahead and open up the tent. So we're going to grab the ladder on top of the tent and go ahead and extend it out. Make sure it's locked in place. We're going to push down the ladder till it meets the vehicle. Reach up, grab a rung a little bit higher and pull it towards us. Open the tent like a book. All right. Now that the tent's open, we're going to use the ladder to secure this outer portion of the tent. So we're going to adjust the ladder. You'll find some black toggles underneath here. You'll push those and condense the ladder until it's at a nice angle to climb up and be able to get under the tent. You just want to make sure that it's fully underneath this portion of the tent, because it does support the tent and it's what holds you up. Pull these fabric corners down. We'll do that on each corner. You'll find a set of spring poles included with the tent, or they'll be in the cab of the vehicle depending on the tent we have. Some of the tents require 8 spring rods. Some of the tents require 4 spring rods. This one requires 4. Spring rod is straight on one end to a rod and a hook on the other. Here we'll find a little access point in the fabric to reach the frame of the tent here. And there's a hole right there in the straight end of our spring rod. It's going to go into that hole. Just kind of wiggle and jiggle it to make sure it gets in there good. We've got a black toggle that fits through an eyelet here. It's going to release that, and then we can fold this hook up, feed it through the eyelet on the fly. Do the same on this side. Find the access hole, find the insert for the hook for the spring rod, and put the hook through the eyelet. We've got a spring rod for all 4 corners. All right, the tent's all set up and ready to move in. One of the best things about a rooftop tent is that the 3-inch foam mattress already is inside the tent and stays in there. Once you set up the tent for the first time, you can also leave your sleeping bags and pillows inside, and you can close the tent up with those in there the next time, so you don't have to pack those away. Once you're ready to move and break camp, just take down the tent and follow the same steps in reverse. You'll pull the spring rods. You'll use the black toggles to put them through the eyelets to hold the rain fly down. You'll lift the ladder and close the tent. Push the black buttons on the bottom of the ladder to collapse the ladder until it fits on top of the tent. Use the Velcro straps at each corner of the tent to hold it down. Replace the black driving cover. Zip up the cover, and then put the 2 straps that go over the top of the cover back on. And then Velcro those down, and you're done, ready to hit the road. Thanks everybody for checking us out. Hope you'll subscribe to our YouTube channel for more how-tos and other cool videos coming from us at Element Outdoors. Thanks again. Have a great day.